Sister, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sister, walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sister, what is your name?
Sister, my name is Nazia.
Sister, what is father name?
Sister, my father name is Ali Ahmed.
Sister, which class do you read in?
Sister, I read in class 2.
Sister, which madrasa do you get your education?
Sister, I receive my education from Madrasa Islamia Ziaul Quran.
Sister, which village do you belong to?
Sister, I belong to Janki Nagar.
Sister, it's great to meet you.
Sister, thank you.
Sister, okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sister,
माशाअल्लाह।
walaikum assalam warahmatullahi